This tutorial teaches only a small portion of this dance. This is not a tutorial for the full dance.
Bring your right foot over to meet your left foot and extend your right arm straight up, palm facing out. Turn your right palm to face in, then out, then in again as you slowly pull your arm down. Extend your right arm straight out toward the camera as you tap your right foot down over to the right. Bring your right foot back over to meet your left foot as you pull your right hand back near your right shoulder, palm facing in and fingers curled into a fist. Turn slightly to the left and bend your knees a bit as you swing your right arm down and back to the right while tilting your head slightly to the right. Straighten your knees and tilt your head back up as you swing your right fist back up near your chest, then tap your chest twice with your fist. Step in place on your right foot and punch down with your right fist, then turn slightly to the right and tap the toes of your left foot down near your right foot, turning your knee to the right as you punch your right fist over to the right, keeping your elbow bent. Do this move in the opposite direction, but continue using your right fist to punch. Slide your right hand up your right side, then extend your right arm up and to the right as you tap your right foot down over to the right. Drop your right arm and bring your right foot back to meet your left foot. Tap your right heel in time with the music as you lean forward slightly, slowly swinging your right arm in front of you from right to left for 4 counts. Continue tapping your heel as you stand up straight and extend your right arm straight out toward the camera, palm facing out, then curl your fingers in and slowly pull your fist back to your chest as you bend your knees slightly. Straighten your knees but continue tapping your heel and keep your fist on your chest for another 4 counts. Step in place on your right foot as you put your right hand on your left shoulder and your left hand on your right hip. Step forward a bit on your left foot as you move your right hand over to your right shoulder and your left hand over to your left hip. Bring your right foot up to meet your left foot as you drop your arms to your sides, then look to the left. Repeat section 1 and section 2. Hop on your left foot as you kick your right foot up and back and swing both arms clockwise. Bring your right foot down over to the left as your left hand stops next to your chin and your right hand is out to the right, palms facing down and elbows bent. Keep your hands in position as you spin to the left until you are facing the camera again. Move your arms out to either side, palms facing out and elbows slightly bent, as you step over to the right with your right foot and look to the right, then bring it back to meet your left foot. Repeat this move on the left. Lower your left arm and step forward a bit with your right foot as you extend your right arm down, index finger extended, then slowly move your arm up until you are pointing straight up before dropping your arm to your side. Move your left foot out to the left as you extend both arms up to the right, palms together, Then bring your foot back in and your hands down in front of your chest. Move your right foot out to the right as you bring your hands up near the left side of your face. Bring your right foot back to meet your left foot as you bend your elbows, bringing your right hand near the left side of your face and your left hand near the right side of your torso, both palms facing out. Take a small step forward on your left foot as you pull your right hand over to the right and your left hand over to the left, keeping both at their previous heights and both palms still facing out. Step in place on your right foot as you look to the right, bend your knees slightly, and move your left hand up and your right hand down. Step in place on your left foot, stand up straight, and look at the camera again as you move your hands back to their previous positions. Step in place on your right foot again as you look down and swing both arms in to cross in front of your chest. Look at the camera again as you move both arms out to either side, keeping your elbows in and your palms facing up. Hold this position for 6 counts, then tap your right palm with the fingers of your left hand as you look at your left hand. Continue looking at your left hand as you move it back out to the left, palm facing down this time, and tap your left foot down over to the left. Bring your left foot over to meet your right foot as you lower your arms and turn to face the right. Wave both arms up smoothly, then back down, stopping with both arms out in front of you, elbows bent, and palms facing out. Look at the camera and slowly move your left foot around in a counterclockwise circle before kicking your right foot back. Lower your arms and take a few steps around for 4 counts, starting on the right foot. Bringing your feet together, bring both arms up, palms facing out. Move your right hand out in front of you, palm facing down, and elbow slightly bent, then do the same with your left hand. Look down and flip your right hand over in front of your hip so that your palm faces up, then do the same with your left hand before looking at the camera. Galas pin